guys, big exciting day here at Pilgrim Motorsports. It's the first of the year of 2020 of our Cars and Coffee meetups. We had an exceptional turnout despite a little bit of a drizzly day. There's some excellent stuff going on here. We're going to be walking you around the show today, checking out some of the cooler motors that are around, talking to some owners, eating some donuts, doing things that you do at a Cars and Coffee. But for now, let's take a quick walk through and see what's kicking in the old factory. Let's see what we got down the side of the building. This is absolutely fantastic stuff here. Everybody brought their good stuff out today. It's the first Cars and Coffee of the season here at Pilgrim Motorsports, which means that a bunch of cars that have been wanting to get out of under the dust covers, wanting to get out for the entire winter are here. We've got the Porsche Enthusiast Club coming out today, representing with excellent Porsche action. Of course, we've got a nice array of Mustangs, but as we go down the line here, we'll find some absolutely brilliant stuff, including a pair of unbelievably great Chevy trucks down at the end. Let's see what we get, Maddie. Let's see what we get. Realize these made it across the board. It's a bit of engineering that. Love the Javelin, and of course, we love a bit of patinted truck here at Pilgrim Motorsports. We really do. We'll have a little chat with the owner of this one later if we can find him, or her. If we can find her. If it is a lady's truck, yeah, let's find her. Complete with CB radio coil, complete with light rack. Sure, if we look hard enough, we'll find some bits of an old deer in the back. And if we walk a little bit further on, we'll see the polar opposite, the flipped image of this truck. This absolute beauty. We love a little bit of muscle truck here at Pilgrim Motorsports. We love it. Hi guys, so again, walking around here, and for your consideration, I bring to you a car that has come to us all the way from beautiful British Columbia. That's in Canada, for those of you who don't know. This is a 1959 Ford Country sedan. It is a two-door. It is about 26 feet long, because who doesn't need two doors for that? It's absolutely beautiful. It has this wonderful petite on it. Again, it's a station wagon. It's been loved. It's been used. It's got a 352 factory big block in it. It's a very stock car. The owner, John's, let me know. Yeah, he's been good enough to let us walk around his car, check it out. And again, we have these beautiful bench seats, because sliding out the door at speed is really one of the most beautiful experiences you can ever have in your life. Absolutely beautiful interior on these cars. I love it, I love it, I love it. 50s Fords, you get these amazing chrome flourishes, these amazing lines, and this, sitting beside our Plymouth Satellite that we talked about earlier, is just another beautiful example of some of the cars that come out to days like this and some of the absolute gems that we find. So a big thank you to John for letting us look around this absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah. Dig, if you will, ladies and gentlemen, the official winner for meanest car in show, the 1968 Dodge Charger RT. This is one of my all-time favorite automobiles. It's absolutely fantastic, absolutely mean, and it is just a little slice of everything it needs to be. Come on, let's take a look at it. The owner of this absolute beauty, Nick, was nice enough to let us have a look around it and a feel inside of it. And again, it's got that beautiful Mopar aesthetic. It's got that beautiful steering wheel. It's got that mean-looking gauge cluster. It's got all the goodness you could ever want in an automobile. It is a thing of beauty. It's a 440 car, possibly numbers matching. We don't know for sure, but it is a thing of absolute beauty. It's got a 3-speed trans. It's been engine rebuilt on it, and it's just an utterly glorious car. I am so excited by Mopars, as are many people, because of course, if you know your cars, you know your Mopars, you know that Mopar people are a little bit crazier than most because of things like this. Look at this absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. Nick's owned it since 1999, and yeah, this must have been 20 of the greatest years of that man's life, I gotta tell you, because this thing is absolutely spectacular. Thing of beauty, and as you can see by the trophies adorning the bonnet, it is the winner of the 2019 Porsche Americana Best in Show. Let's take a little walk and find out why. From the amazing white walls, the amazing fender flares, this is an absolute thing of beauty. I absolutely love this car. Check out the interior on this. You could sleep a family of 6 in this car and still have enough room to have a barbecue. It is absolutely, absolutely spectacular. The owner, boys, has been nice enough to let us have a look around and check it out. The word super has never been better used than this Silver Lady. Absolute thing of beauty. All this can be found at the Pilgrim Motorsports Cars and Coffee Meetups, kids. So we have the underbonnet shot here of the Silver Lady itself. Now this car in 2005 underwent a full 2-year restoration, and it really shows. It is absolutely breathtaking, spectacular example of what can be done to a classic car to bring it back to that absolute beauty that you see before you today. This is something utterly special. Guys, we're walking around the Pilgrim Motorsports Cars and Coffee today. As you can hear, cars pulling in everywhere. There's people milling about. It's a beautiful atmosphere here today, but there's a few cars that really stood out and caught everyone's eye here. I'm here with Dave Whiting, the owner of this absolutely beautiful 1967 Aston Martin Volante DB6. She's owned for 40 years, and it's absolutely brilliant. It is a showstopper. It is finished in the greatest color name I've ever heard in my life, which is
Champagne Mink.
Champagne Mink. Yes. So what can you tell us about the motor?
When I bought it 40 years ago, it was painted in like a burgundy colour, which I never thought went with a blue interior, and it turned out that it's not the original colour. It came out of the factory this colour, and it's actually the only one that Aston Martin ever made in this colour.
Very cool.
They did some saloons in this colour, but this is the only convertible.
Beautiful. Absolutely stunning car. It's a straight 6, and you said it's 350 brake from the horse?
345 supposed to be. I don't know whether that's true or not, but that's what Aston Martin used to say.
Yeah. I mean, if we come around here and have a look at the engine, it's absolutely fantastic. Just a thing of utter beauty.
It's got lots of bits and pieces all over it. It's not like modern engines where you can't see anything.
Yeah.
What you see is a hell of a complete.
It is on display. It's a very proud car. My personal favorite thing about this car, besides of course the name of the color, is the fact that it has a working 8-track flare, which has been restored professionally, if I understand correctly. Yes. If you take a look inside, we not only have a working 8-track flare, but a full complement of beautiful, beautiful 8-tracks. Personally, Barry White's Greatest Hits is my favorite out of those. But that's just me.
Yeah, they're easy to get actually.
Yeah, it's not surprisingly.
Most people don't know what they're for.
Yeah. One thing that is not easy to get is a car that is this beautiful. Thank you for your time today, sir.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you for bringing it down.
Thanks.
Pretty cool. That was already there.
Cool. What are we doing?
Hey guys, so like I said, we're going around picking some of the best cars at the show today here at Pilgrim Motorsports Cars and Coffee. Particularly my favorite here, and possibly one of my favorite cars of all time, is this 1970 Plymouth Satellite station wagon, or saloon car, if you will. There's a 318 V8 motor in it. It has 8 seats to match 8 cylinders. It is the greatest cruising machine ever made. Take a look down. There's just this beautiful little sweep over it. And it is an utterly, utterly, utterly sexy station wagon. Come on inside, we'll see some more of the fun. Because it has Mopar bench seats. And what is better than sliding around a corner and coming out the other side of the car in this lovely matching new old stock gold interior that's been refitted into the car, and it's truly absolutely breathtaking. I love this car. It has all of these amazing vintage US National Park stickers on the side to show you where it's been, because this car has been used, it has been loved, it has seen the world, and now it gets to go and drive around the UK. What a way to have life. Facing backwards into oncoming traffic. This is one of the truest, most beautiful ways to get around anywhere in the world. A big thanks to Dave for letting us show you guys around this car, because it is just, it's a little bit of me, as they say. Well guys, we're just wrapping things up here for today. Cars and Coffee, first of 2020 here at Pilgrim Motorsports. You know what that means? Time for a nondescript beer. Now, you can come down and join us on our next Cars and Coffee. If you like what you've seen today, there's some absolutely amazing stuff on display. February the 9th here at our factory in small Dole. Come and check us out. Bring down what you got. We've had an amazing turnout today, and a huge thanks to everyone who's come down, shown off their cars, and let us have a little chat with them. Massively appreciated from myself and from everyone here at Pilgrim. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. There's plenty more goodness to come. You can check us out on Facebook at Pilgrim Motorsports or Muscle Car UK, and of course, check out YouTube as well under those very same names. For myself, Spencer Korish, for everyone here at the Pilgrim Motorsports family and factory, this has been the very first Cars and Coffee of the year. Don't you go changing, kids.